In this video, you will learn how to get your money back from Cash App if you have been scammed. If you've been scammed on Cash App, follow these simple steps. First, contact the seller or the recipient. If possible, reach out to the person you sent money to. Sometimes misunderstandings can be resolved directly. Report the fraud to Cash App. Open Cash App, then click on the profile icon and select Support. Choose something else, then report an issue by selecting Dispute or Fraud. Cash App will review the transaction, even though there are no guarantees of a refund. Cancel the payment. If the payment is pending and not yet complete, you can still cancel it by going to the payment details and selecting cancel. Contact Cash App support. If you've been scammed, it is crucial to reach out to Cash App support immediately, as they may be able to help you. File a claim with your bank or card issuer. If you are linked to a bank account or debit card to Cash App, contact your bank or card issuer to inquire about filing a charge or fraudulent transaction. Unfortunately, Cash App has limited protection against fraud, especially in transactions when sent out to someone intentionally, even if it was a scam. Always be cautious when making payments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.